I appreciate that. Thank you, Trent Nova. You're awesome. Oh, thank you, Trent Nova from Galaxy. Thank you so much. Trent Nova, thank you very much. Thank you so much, Trent Nova. You're awesome. You're my hero. Thank you for my Galaxy. Thank you so much. You are my hero, Trent Nova. Love you. Please, people, one more. It's just my train. Then my goal is complete. Thank you, Trent Nova. I love you. I love you, my darling. Just the train to come off my goal. I need one more. Thank you so much, Trent Nova. You're awesome, darling. Thank you. Love you, Trent Nova. You're my hero. You're awesome. Thank you, Trent Nova. Love you. Come on, guys. Just the train, please. That's my goal will be full. The train is on my goal. I just need the train, then my goal is finished. Thank you so much for my Galaxy, Trent Nova. Mwah. Love you. Love you so much, Trent Nova. You're awesome, my hero. My hero. Thank you so much. You're awesome. Love you, Trent Nova. Come on, guys. Just my train to come off. Please. It's for Christmas. I appreciate that so much. Just the train to come off. The goal is the last one is the train to come off for Christmas. Thank you, Trent Nova. You're awesome. Thank you, Rochelle. Trent Nova, thank you so much. You're awesome. Rochelle, ons sal ontvang. Dankie weer. Hoi Amelia, hoe gaan het? Thank you, Trent Nova. You're my hero. Michelle sê dit vir die maat daar so. Ons sal vir Matt vang. Matt is ons jou vang. Ag, kan nie klaar nie, Amelia. Ek probeer net my trein van my goal af te kry. Dan is ek klaar. Ek gaan nie nog môre rank nie. Dis nie nodig dan nie. Dis 'n Kers is nog 2 dae. Net die trein van my goal af. Mense asseblief, net die trein van die goal af. Klaar. Asseblief, ek vra julle mooi. Ek sal dit so waardeer. Ek is bly het gaan goed met jou, Amelia. Kom een stap verder, mense. Ons is 23 in die live. Kom mense, help my net om die trein af te kry, asseblief van my goal af. Ek sal het so waardeer. Nou is was Sasha, hallo. Kom mense, dis 2 dae voor Kersfees, asseblief, net die trein. Dan kan ek ook sê, ek kan 'n lekker Kersfees gee. No, hallo, welcome back. Mense, asseblief, net die trein. En Alessandra, goeiemiddag. 2 dae voor, nog voor Kersfees. Hallo Melly. Michael, hallo. Vra julle mense, kom mense, werk saam met my. Ons is 15 in die live. Kom ons stap 'n bietjie asseblief mense. En as julle kan iets gooi. Maar my goal, die trein moet afkom, asseblief. Dan is ek klaar. Julle is awesome mense. Hallo Nelly, hoe gaan het? How are you Nelly?